Does a whiskey sour crossed with the last word sound like a good time to you? Phil Ward's final word switches in rye whiskey and lemon juice to the Chartreuse-based classic for a herbal and intriguing but still bright whiskey cocktail. The original uses green chartreuse, but I like the softer and sweeter yellow chartreuse here for a rounder drink, but either works great. It also generally doesn't have a garnish, but why would you pass up a chance to have a snack in your drink? All right, let's get started with this one. So we're gonna go 20 mils of rye. I think Woodford's definitely just a good solid cocktail making rye to have on your back bar if you can. And then 20 mils of yellow chartreuse. So this is obviously, as I said, the kind of fancier one blended by sommeliers. So we'll see if it adds that je ne sais quoi. 20 mils of maraschino. And then 20 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You just fill it with ice, pop your tins together, and shake as hard as you can. So you just want to fine strain that to get all of your little ice chips out. And then we'll pop in a little cherry. A final word. So now you know. It is that little bit, yeah, rounder and richer. It's got like quite a kind of juicy, you're getting a lot more of the citrus from the chartreuse. And I think obviously having that spice from the rye, but then balanced out by having a little bit sweeter and a little bit less boozy chartreuse in there, just means it's all a bit kind of more mellow. And you can definitely see, if you're a whiskey sour drinker, this will absolutely be up your alley. It's definitely close enough to that, but just with a few little interesting accents. Good job, Phil.